Hey, are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss?
Hi everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So let's just talk about it. I wanted to bring you guys this news that I have recently discovered, and I know a lot of you, if not some of you, have Wells Fargo. And I want to bring it to you and let you know what is going on. And you see it on the screen. Wells Fargo is closing down personal lines of credit accounts. Basically, I'm going to go over what is happening and how this will affect your credit score. This is the main reason why I'm bringing it to my channel and what you can do next as well. So let's just talk about it. So I want to refer to this article that talks about Wells Fargo by Sarah, and this is a really good article, and I want to go over some things in this article and basically give my 2 cents about it. So Wells Fargo is shutting down all existing personal lines of credit in the coming weeks and will no longer offer the product to customers. The bank previously offers revolving credit from $3,000 to $100,000. And a lot of these personal lines of credit are used in real estate. So a lot of things is going to be changing for those that use this stuff to change their lives and to make additional income. So which were marketed as a way for customers to finance home renovations or consolidate credit card debt, right? So the news sparked outrage among consumers and advocates after Wells Fargo warned that the change can impact customers' credit score. Banks don't often conduct closures like this. But if you're a Wells Fargo customer with a personal line of credit, you may be wondering how this change can impact your financial health. This is actually really, really big because, in my opinion, this is why, well, Wells Fargo, in my opinion, Wells Fargo is just a horrible bank, especially when they had the incident a couple of years back when they were opening up accounts in people's names. It's just really sad. So to be quite honest, this doesn't go for me by surprise. So why is Wells Fargo shutting these accounts? Okay, as we simplify our product offering, this is what they say: we made a decision last year to no longer offer personal lines of credit as we feel we can better meet the borrowing needs to our customers through credit cards and personal loan products. So in my opinion, if they made the decision last year, why is it already in the middle of next year, almost leading into 2022, and you're just not letting people know about this? Wow. So it's okay. This is where I get my 2 cents at. This is some fishy stuff going on. In my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, but to me, when reading stuff like this, it just really scares me because, mind you, we're just now barely getting out of the pandemic, and a lot of people are losing their homes, or either way, it's just a tough cookie to swallow, especially if you're a Wells Fargo customer. So if you have a balance on your account and you have a Wells Fargo personal line of credit, well, Wells Fargo said they will send out a 60-day notice about the payment terms in the remaining balance that will have either a fixed income rate attached and must meet monthly minimum or payment requirements. So even though they're closing your account, you still got to pay them back. So it is what it is. That's how the banks are going to get their money. So basically, if you still need access to your funds, here's what you can do. So this is the most important slide I think that will be in this video, because if you do have Wells Fargo, yes, they're closing their account. You may be out of a Wells Fargo line of credit. However, you can overcome this. Okay, this is all about the knowledge and what you can do to do so. Your credit score may go down, but that is okay. If you get on this right now before they give out the 60-day notice, Your credit score may not take a drop because new credit can basically get on your credit score and basically replace that credit account that will be dropped. So I hope that makes sense. So if you're currently using your Wells Fargo line of credit and you still need quick access to cash to continue on doing whatever you were using your Wells Fargo personal line of credit, you can do this. You can first get a new line of credit, okay? There are plenty of Wells Fargo competitors that continue to offer personal lines of credit. When reviewing the terms, calculate how much accruing interest will add to your debt over time to determine how much you can afford to borrow. So that is important, okay? So make sure that you check the interest. That is all about the interest. Now, you guys know me and you guys know me for Navy Federal. I will strongly recommend all of the Wells Fargo personal lines of credit to go get a Navy Federal checking line of credit if you need the funds. This is also a revolving line of credit, and I also have a video on how to apply and get up to $15,000. Now, it may not be much, but it's a checking line of credit, okay? And the interest is low. So watch my Navy Federal checking line of credit video for details, and I will leave that right here on the top right of the screen of that video, but I'll also leave that in a link down below so you can go check out how to apply. So get a new line of credit is what you can do. You can get a zero interest credit card, okay? We have some in Navy Federal, okay? If you can pay off your purchase reasonably quickly, a zero interest credit card might be the best option. Most zero interest credit cards offer at least 12 months of their introductory rate, which means you can avoid interest altogether by paying off your balance during that time frame. While most accept credit, keep in mind that most contractors and laborers only accept cash. So if you're planning to remodel or paying for other home repairs, it's wise to ask what type of payments they're accepted. So that is key too, because even though you're getting a zero interest credit card to pay off the rest of the personal line of credit from Wells Fargo, you still have to pay other means like the laborers or the contractors by cash. If that's what they agree on, but ask, let them ask, it's always good to ask. If you're a homeowner, you can do a cash out refinance, which basically allows you to cash in on the equity you've invested in your property on like a traditional refinance, okay? So which will replace your mortgage with the loan for the same amount at a lower interest rate. And the cash out refinance pays off your mortgage and replaces it with a new one for a greater amount. So you may want to cash out refinance with Navy Federal. Interest rates are great, okay? Once your mortgage loan is paid with the funds from the new loan, you receive a lump sum payment for the remaining amount. So really, if you can get Navy Federal, any credit union, just, that has low interest rates, you might want to go with them. PenFed, USAA, there's tons of credit unions. I can't think of off my head, but a credit union may be the best bet, or just get out of Wells Fargo and it all. I think this would be, so I'm not sure if this is going to be a trend down the line for other banks, traditional banks. I really hope not, but this may be a path where people are no longer trusting a lot of things because things are closing, and banks are closing things, and credit unions may be the best bet. So if you receive a 60-day notice and you're planning to buy a house or do anything big with your credit, please be aware that this can impact your credit score. So this could really impact your credit score if you have this on, if you have a personal line of credit with Wells Fargo. This could really impact your credit score. So make sure you keep in mind that that this is coming and take action now. Also, if you have a business, this is what I highly recommend, and this is a great way to introduce why I suggest doing this. I highly recommend never taking out lines of credit or loans in personal credit. Do it in your business name. The reason being is because banks operate for small businesses and medium-sized business more than they do for people with their personal needs. Okay, this is why banks run off of businesses. So if this was to happen and you had a line of credit in your business name, it would not affect your personal credit score at all. So if you have a business or you're thinking about building a business, this is the cheat code. The cheat code is doing everything in your business name, building that business credit, and doing it all in your business name without, hurting your personal credit. Because remember, your personal credit is all you got. Okay, but you can have multiple businesses. I hope this is beneficial. I hope this is beneficial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget, I love you all. Bye. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the comments or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at Designer Soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.